Hey everyone, today I just have a very quick, simple review for you. This is a ping pong paddle case by Butterfly. This is for a single paddle, and it is a soft shell case with some padding in it, and it has a really nice durable zipper to it. So I got this off Amazon for about $16-17. I'll put the link in the description. I did a lot of research on Amazon before I finally narrowed down to this choice. It definitely is a little bit on the pricey side, but do keep in mind Butterfly is a very well-known and reputable brand for ping pong equipment. It comes in a very simple packaging. You can see here that I just ripped out. It's completely made out of nylon, plus of course the metal components for the zipper. That makes the case very water resistant, if not waterproof, so definitely will keep your paddle moisture free. Butterfly logo is very clear right on one side of the case. It has a single zipper, which is pretty durable from what I can tell. Good reinforcement. Opening it up and removing the desiccant packet there, you can see there's like Butterfly logos all embellished throughout the interior of the case, and you can also feel the padding as well. The shape of the case fits perfectly for my handshake style paddle. Of course, if you have the smaller pen holder style, this will be a little bit too big for you, but you can see the fit is pretty snug. It isn't too tight where the zipper will like brush up against the actual paddle, which is definitely good. And the way that the zipper is designed, it pretty much goes almost all the way around the case, which is a stark contrast to this old case that I own also by Butterfly, where it pretty much forces you to have to touch the rubber in order to remove the paddle from the case, which is never ideal. The one thing that my old case has that this one doesn't have is a dedicated ball pouch, as you can see here on the exterior. While it doesn't have a dedicated section to place your ping pong balls, this new Butterfly padded case is able to hold up to 2 ping pong balls if you strategically place it here in the void spots of the location of the case. So it's still able to close up fine, as you can see here. It actually doesn't even look that bulky, just as a perception look. So there's that option. Of course, it will fall out if you aren't careful when you open the case. So I definitely really like this case. I think it's well made, it's padded, it's just what I was looking for, a minimalistic case just to hold one paddle and perhaps a ball or two. Hopefully they'll be able to reduce the price soon. As usual, I'll put the product link in the description so you guys can check it out.